the aftermath of the Leah Clark case, what would you do differently?
Well, let me state first and foremost, because my opponent has been spreading disinformation, I had nothing to do with that case. That case happened when Mr. Rappaport was the state's attorney. The case was investigated under Mr. Rappaport's tenure. After Mr. Rappaport became a judge, the state's attorney's office was taken over by Jennifer Morton. Jennifer Morton agreed that the case should be shipped out to an outside prosecutor, and that's what happened. I had nothing to do with it. What I did do, however, in the aftermath of that case, my staff and myself developed a PowerPoint presentation. We went to each roll call Coward County Sheriff's Office, and we said, this is how you do it right. This is the way you do it in the future. You get a search warrant. If you want to draw blood in a case involving a fatality, you get a search warrant and you draw the blood and you do it the right way. They know how to do it now, and we've had another case, a similar situation, was prosecuted by my office and ended up working out just fine.
So the Leah Clark case was the young lady that was unfortunately tragically killed over here in Darris Beach Road by an off-duty Calvert County Sheriff's deputy. You know, I take a little offense to the fact that Mr. Harvey says he had nothing to do with this case when he, in fact, was this police officer's defense attorney just prior to him being appointed as state's attorney. The case ended up in a $600 fine for this officer during Mr. Harvey's term, and no steps. I mean, to say that what you're going to do about this issue is present a PowerPoint to one time to, you know, police officers. This needs to be an ongoing thing. What I would call for is I would call for the commissioners to hire an outside agency to conduct a thorough investigation from the moment the accident happened to the moment the jury verdict came in, and figure out where along the line both of these, because this is one of the sheriff's office issue. This is a sheriff's office issue. This is a state's attorney's issue. State police was involved, right? So we got to get all of these agencies to figure out how we can do better in the future. We owe the people better than that.